The Missing Birds and the Homeless Monkeys by Lalitha Sundaram. There was a large forest of tall trees, just a short distance from a beautiful village sitting near the Western Ghats. The whole day long, birds sang their songs, monkeys played on the branches, and the cool breeze made everyone feel good. The people of the village loved the forest and took care of it well.
One day, merciless developers appeared and began to cut down trees in order to build huge buildings and gated communities. They said, "We need houses for people. Trees are useless." Chintu, a young boy, saw the trees come down one by one. The birds were scared and they fled. The monkeys went off in all directions. Chintu was depressed. Then what will happen to the animals? He asked his grandfather.
Chapters passed and events began to alter. The sky that was previously crowded was silent. There was no early morning birds chant. But one thing was clear. Monkeys began to infiltrate the village and even the huge apartments. They climbed on the terraces, went into the kitchen and stole food from people. The villagers asked, "Why are the monkeys coming here?" "We have driven them out of their home," explained Chintu's grandfather. "When we cut the trees, we left them with no food and shelter. Birds could fly away, but monkeys had no place to go." Then the rainy season set in. Since there were no trees to anchor the soil, the land became weak. A landslide one night buried many houses, and it took rescue teams to come and rescue the people. Chintu and his friends thought it was time to act. They created posters with the message, "Save trees, save lives," and made people understand how trees help in providing clean air, preventing landslides, and offering shelter to animals. The people of the village realized their mistake. They ceased harvesting the trees and began planting them again. Step by step, the birds returned, the landslides decreased, and the monkeys went back to the forest. Chintu smiled as he had saved his village and knew that every tree saved would save many lives.